With the reveal sticker, you can post a hidden story for your friends and followers to uncover. The only way for them to see the content is to send you a direct message. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. You can capture a new photo or video, or you can choose any photo or video from your gallery. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see the new sticker, Reveal. If you do not see the sticker, you need to update your Instagram app. Now tap on it. You can type a hint for friends about the story, or you can type anything here. After that, tap Done from the top right corner. The sticker has been applied. You can resize it using your finger and place it anywhere in the screen by dragging. You can tap the preview icon in the bottom left corner to see how your story will appear to your friends. Once you are satisfied with your story, tap on the Your Story button at the bottom of the screen to share it with your followers. Your story has been updated. Check this out. When viewers see your story, they have to send you a message to uncover the hidden content beneath it. So in this way, you can use the new Reveal sticker on your Instagram story.